So basically you do a bow like this, and then I'm gonna grab a cute little stem, and I'm gonna grab my wire and then go twice, and then you hide that wire. And then you're gonna have this bow right here and some tails. I'm gonna do one more so you guys can see. I'm gonna start with 4. I wanna do the 4 corners, and I'm gonna always start by cutting a dovetail once again and leaving a tail, because those tails are gonna give us some texture. Oh, I grabbed my ribbon wrong. And so now I'm gonna do a bow. Remember, pinch, 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 gather, twist. You want all of that beautiful pattern or glitter on the top so it can be seen, and then you twist. And then you do a third one, and you just fold down and gather, gather, gather. You guys, making bows is so simple. A lot of people have so much problem. And by the way, Jameson's behind the camera, so thumbs up for Jameson, who's been helping us all this season. Jameson, can you make a bow?
If I watch enough of your videos, yes, I can.
Okay, can you come? You want to come and make one? Come on, let's put Jameson on the spot to see if he can make a bow. Come on, just come over here. I'm gonna put this one right here, so I'm gonna do this corner. All you have to do is make a bow. You don't have to. I mean, you can. You're such a smart person that I know that you can do it. All right, so I'm gonna teach you how to make it. All right.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna put that one there, and then I'm gonna dovetail this one right here. Let's see if Jameson can make a beautiful bow. Come here. I'm gonna move this right here. All right. So what you're going to do, I'm gonna give you this. I'm gonna make one with this at the same time, so that way you can. Let's see if Jameson can make a bow. And if somebody buys this wreath, they're gonna have a bow made by Jameson.
Yes.
All right, so you're gonna grab your ribbon.
Okay.
And what you want to do is you're gonna dovetail. So to dovetail, you're gonna fold it like that. Okay, and you want your edge, like the wire, you want it always on the outside. So you're gonna fold and put on the, just twist it around, yeah. Then what you're going to do is you're gonna cut towards the wire to make your dovetail.
Okay.
Super simple. Towards the wire, there you go. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're gonna give it a tail, so probably about 5 inches.
What side I want?
You want the glitter facing you.
Facing me.
Yeah,
okay.
facing you. So you're gonna pinch right here, pinch, pinch, pinch.
Pinch, pinch, pinch.
Okay, give your ribbon some slack. And then what you're going to do is this is going to be your bow, so you're gonna fold under, like that. And then you're gonna pinch, pinch, pinch.
Okay.
Once you have it all pinched, you're gonna twist that part up, because remember you want the glitter up.
Twist this part up.
Uh-huh, just twist it up.
Okay.
And you're gonna make sure that goes up like that. Because that's gonna be your next bow.
Okay.
All right, and then now you're going to, okay, so this is your bow, and then you're going to pinch this part behind to make a bow like that.
Okay, so here we are.
You're gonna go up. I'll show you again.
Up this way.
So you're gonna go up with the glitter.
Okay.
And then you're gonna go like that. Yeah, perfect, like that. And then you pinch, 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 pinch.
Okay.
And now you're gonna give your ribbon some more slack. And now you're gonna twist again, because now we're gonna do the same thing. The tail part.
Okay. While holding. Twist, twist, twist here. Okay.
And now you have all the glitter facing you again, because now you're gonna make another loop like this.
Going down.
Now going down and grab it up. There you go.
Okay.
Not so much. You want these two to be the same.
Okay.
There you go. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Pinch, pinch, pinch.
Okay.
And now you're gonna twist one more time. Not that, but this part.
This part here.
Yeah. You're gonna twist that.
Okay.
And now you're gonna grab a wire.
Okay.
And now you're gonna grab a wire. And what you're going to do is you're gonna put the wire like this, and you're gonna secure all of this together. It's not as easy as it looks, huh? Okay. And now you're gonna go back. Look, you're gonna go back like this. Both of your, like, to secure your wire.
Okay. I twisted?
No, hang on. But you need to make sure that it goes up like that.
Okay.
See, but you want to make sure that it's equal. Look.
Oh, no, okay.
Because you're gonna use that to attach. All right, you're almost there. Now, the easiest way to do it is like if you put half of it back and then just go up.
Okay,
so I guess making a bow is not as easy as it looks. So sorry, I will do a, no. Okay, so these two you're gonna have to go up. It's easier if you go up, let go of the bow now, and then see you pull your wire now, up, and and then you're going to twist. twist it very tight and secure. Look.
Okay.
Okay. And so now what you do is you fluff your bow like this. Okay, let's cut it. I'm gonna cut right here. Let me cut yours. And let go of the bow.
Yeah, I'm nervous.
Why?
Because, okay, I'm going to let go of it. And now what I'm holding on to.
Okay, you hold on to the wire. Okay, you can go behind the camera. Round of applause for Jameson. Actually, not bad. I bet if I fluff it, yeah, if I fluff it, it's actually not bad.